Hey everyone, welcome back to StockWisp, your go-to place for investing insights that are clear, practical, and 100% research-based. In today's video, we're uncovering 6 stocks that billionaire investors, the so-called smart money, are quietly buying in 2025. We'll go beyond just naming these companies. You'll learn exactly why the world's richest investors are betting big on them, what trends they're seeing, and how this knowledge can help you make smarter investing decisions. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a much deeper understanding of where smart money is moving this year. Why follow smart money? Before we jump into the stocks, let's quickly answer an important question. Why even bother following billionaire investors? The reason is simple. Billionaires like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and hedge funds like BlackRock or Tiger Global have access to cutting-edge research teams, insider industry data, and years of proven investing discipline. And here's the key. Their stock moves aren't secret. Thanks to SEC 13F filings, we can legally track the companies they are buying and selling every quarter. Think of it this way. It's like looking over the shoulder of a grandmaster chess player while they play. You may not copy every move, but you learn the strategy behind their game. Stock 1. Amazon, YMZN. Let's start with Amazon. Billionaires continue to love Amazon, and not just because of online shopping. The real engine of growth is Amazon Web Services, their cloud business that powers everything from Netflix streaming to corporate data systems. AWS generates nearly 60% of Amazon's operating profits. But in 2025, there's another factor: artificial intelligence. Amazon is investing heavily in AI-driven logistics, cloud AI tools, and even developing chips to compete with Nvidia. Smart money sees Amazon not as an e-commerce company anymore, but as a technology infrastructure giant that will keep scaling. And when billionaires see a company evolving beyond its core business, that's a strong bullish signal. Stock 2. Alphabet, GOOGL. Next up, Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Most people think of Google as just a search engine. But here's what billionaires see. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and advertising revenues are rebounding strongly in 2025. AI breakthroughs like Gemini are positioning Google at the center of the AI arms race. Cloud computing is growing double digits every quarter. On top of that, Google's balance sheet is one of the strongest in tech, with over $100 billion in cash reserves. That's why the smart money believes Alphabet is not just stable, but long-term compounder in both AI and digital media. Stock 3. Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B. This one might surprise you. Billionaires are buying Berkshire Hathaway itself. Why? Because owning Berkshire is like owning a diversified portfolio inside a single stock. Berkshire controls everything from insurance companies like Geico to energy infrastructure to railroads, and it also holds massive stakes in companies like Apple. The real reason smart money loves Berkshire is its cash position. Warren Buffett has over $150 billion in cash ready to deploy. In times of market uncertainty, that flexibility is priceless. So when billionaires buy Berkshire, what they're really buying is stability, diversification, and disciplined capital allocation. Stock 4. Meta Platforms. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has been quietly climbing back into billionaire portfolios. Why? Because while the world was distracted by the metaverse, Meta doubled down on Instagram, WhatsApp, and AI-driven ads. Instagram Reels is competing head-to-head with TikTok. WhatsApp Business is becoming a global e-commerce tool, and Meta's ad revenue is growing faster than analysts expected. Smart money sees Meta as undervalued compared to its earnings potential, and in 2025, they believe it's a cash-generating machine with new growth avenues. Stock 5. JPMorgan Chase, JPM. Now let's talk finance. JPMorgan Chase, America's largest bank, is attracting billionaire investors. In an environment of higher interest rates, banks earn more on loans, and JPMorgan has been one of the biggest beneficiaries. But there's more. JPMorgan has one of the strongest balance sheets in the banking world, with strict risk management. Billionaires are buying JPMorgan because it offers stability in uncertain times, strong dividend payouts, and exposure to global finance growth. In short, it's the kind of stock that provides both safety and steady returns. Stock 6. Nvidia. NVDA. And finally, Nvidia, the crown jewel of AI investing. Nvidia doesn't just make graphics cards for gaming anymore. Its chips power AI data centers, self-driving cars, robotics, and cloud computing. Hedge funds see Nvidia as the backbone of the AI revolution. Even at high valuations, they're still buying because they believe demand for AI chips will only grow for the next decade. Smart money isn't just investing in Nvidia. They're betting on the future of artificial intelligence itself. The big lesson in this video is, billionaires focus on companies with three things in common. 1. Strong cash flow, money-making machines. 2. Long-term growth industries, AI, cloud, banking, digital media. 3. Leadership and strategy. Businesses run with vision and discipline. The takeaway is simple. You don't need billions to invest like a billionaire. You just need patience, discipline, and the ability to focus on companies shaping the future. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to StockWisp, and share this video with anyone serious about growing their wealth in 2025.